Now, there is a massive buy setup currently forming out on GBPJPY, guys. Okay, if you're looking at my screen right now, I want you to pay attention because I'll be marking out these smart money zones and these smart money key levels that I see price about to respect. Okay, it's going to be a buy trade. Now, this is what I'm currently seeing on my chart. Okay, this is a break of structure that has already formed out. This is the first one, and then this is another one that has formed out already. This is on the 15-minute time frame, guys. So okay, from my top-down analysis, GBPJPY is bullish. So, but we need to look at the necessary key levels to know where price might react to. Now, what we currently have on these areas I just marked out, you can see the origin that formed them out. The order blocks that formed them out is still very much active and valid. Now we have this first order block here. Okay, we have this first order block, very valid, and price is, we're looking at price probably coming back to that area. Then we have this other one here. There is another order block resting here. This is happening on the 15 minutes time frame, guys. This is happening on the 15 minutes time frame. Good. Now at this point, price definitely will be tapping into one of the two and picking up orders. So I'm currently seeing price reacting more to the second order block. This is the order block I'm talking about. I see price reacting to this order block and respecting it, right? Even if price is going to react to this one, it's not going to be immediately from what I'm saying on my chart, guys. So if you spend time on chart, you understand these things better, and you understanding your setup, your smart money key levels and zones, how price usually reacts on a particular Forex pair. All right, so this is what I'm saying. All right, so I have an order pending already on my MT5 around this zone, but you can as well do two things here. You can as well set an alert, all right, at the second order block. This is the first order block, this is the second one. So if you feel confused whenever you're analyzing a trade like this or chart like this, about to take a buy or a sell trade, and you're confused about where you feel price might react to more or respect, the first thing you have to do at that point in time to set an alert or be vigilant at least to understand everything that's going to play out when price gets to that area, how price is going to react. So for me, I'm active and alert. We'll see what price is going to do when it gets to this point. So let me see the risk to reward on this trade should price respect this second order block. So let's see what is going to play out. So let's say we have our entry here and a stop loss slightly below, and I'll take profit at this point of reversal. Okay, so let's say we adjust our stop loss a little bit more. Okay, our stop loss is very much okay. It's very much okay. I think this area slightly below the swing low. So this is 1:3 risk to reward ratio. It's a good trade. It's a good trade. So this is what I see playing out on GBPJPY today. Okay, so I'm going to take a picture from my thumbnail and send to my Telegram community as well. I'm actually seeing this trade playing out. So we'll just take a picture right away. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. And like I keep assuring you guys, we'll start going live very soon and taking trades together, making money off the market together. Okay, so don't go nowhere. Just stay connected to my channel for a lot more will be coming your way. A lot more will come your way. So just like I said, immediately price get to this order block, we'll see what happens. We'll see if it's going to respect it, trigger my entry and push to the upside where we have this take profit. Okay, so that's it about this video. I don't want this video to be too lengthy, but anything that plays out on this video, I'll be alerting you guys. I'll be showing you guys on my MT5. So in case you're watching this video, just pay attention, be at alert. Should you want to take this trade, it's going to be a good one for sure. It's going to be a good one. 1:3 is not so bad. 1:3 is not so bad. It's very good. The size 1:2 is the ideal thing. And then when you get 1:3, 1:4, 5, then that's a good one, a good deal for you. So take care of yourselves. See you again very soon in my next video, probably MT5. I'm going to show you guys everything's going to play out. Okay, so this is just 15 minutes analysis on GBPJPY. Don't forget, my top analysis says GBPJPY is bullish. That is why I decided to bring this to you guys, and that's why I brought it to you guys in the first place. So take care for now, and bye.